What's up guys, how's it going? It's Scholar85 back in another unboxing. This time, as you see, it's for Sega Mega Drive Classics on the Xbox One. So I picked this up today. Yeah, really looking forward to playing it. Had a 32-bit Mega Drive back in the mid-90s, which was pretty much my first proper console. So yeah, really looking forward to playing some of the games on this. So there's the case, there's the side, and there's the back, and it's got getting to the classics, includes 50 retro Sega classics. So as you can see, a couple we got: Sonic the Hedgehog, Sonic the Hedgehog 2, Space Harrier, Street to Rage 2. What else we got? Golden Axe, Alex Kidd. Yeah, some really good games. So challenge your friends, local and online multiplayer, retro classics, modern convenience, so you can rewind, save states, graphic filters, and new ways to play, achievements, challenges, and mirror mode. So the install size is literally 2 gig. So yeah, and then inside you have the disc, and you also have a poster. So on one side it's Golden Axe, and on the other side it's Street to Rage. So that's cool. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of Sega Mega Drive Classics on the Xbox One, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos, but for now, I'll catch you later. Cheers, bye.